Imagine a world where the fastest way to send a message was on the wings of a bird. For centuries, homing pigeons carried letters across vast distances, connecting people and places long before phones or the internet existed. Then came the era of written letters, carefully penned notes sealed and delivered by horse riders or messengers on foot. Though slow by today's standards, these letters were the lifeblood of communication, crossing mountains and oceans. As technology advanced, so did our ways of connecting. The invention of the telephone transformed everything. Suddenly, voices could travel instantly through wires. The familiar button phone became a household staple, linking families, businesses, and friends like never before. And then, the revolution. The smartphone. A device in our pockets that's more than just a phone. Cameras, internet, social media, video calls. Communication became instant, visual, and global. Today, we're entering a new chapter. Drones are flying high, delivering not just packages but also connectivity, bringing internet access to remote areas and bridging digital divides. But what does the future hold? Imagine holographic calls where your loved ones appear in 3D, or communicating through thought with brain-computer interfaces. Envision AI translators breaking down every language barrier instantly, and quantum technology making communication faster and more secure than ever. From birds to drones, from letters to smartphones, the story of communication is one of relentless innovation, always bringing us closer together.